Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a power supply from Thermaltake. The model number is TR2 S 550 watt. I bought this from MD Computers and it cost me around 3600 rupees. So there's a link in the description if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside the box we get a user manual, a power cord and the power supply unit itself. So guys, if you like this video then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.